Hey, Steelers back tonight. Tonight we're going back retro again. Now this is Puppy Linux 2.13 Community Edition. Do you remember this? If you've ever done Puppy, if you've done Puppy, you know what I'm talking about. I'm going to go through it with you. It's really, really different to what it used to be. Now I've installed it again. I'll tell you what, it's really bleeding super fast on a modern machine. Really, really fast. Now I know it's only like about 4 years old now, but this is how far we've come. You know what I'm saying? You do know what I'm saying. You get some icons down the bottom there for your default processors and G-numerics all down the bottom there, like it isn't nowadays. But yeah, it's really, really, really fast. I really like it. Still, so there's every word, there's G-numeric, and we'll pop in the calendar there. Blimey, you don't see that one anymore, do you? It's normally Osmo now for your calendar stuff. But yeah, look, it's all there, and it all still works. It's all super fast, super duper and stuff. And this one's actually got an alarm as well, but you can find anyway, if you know what I mean. So we'll get rid of that. Yes, we will get rid of it, because I'm just showing you what it used to be like. Now, G-numeric, we're going to help, and what it's about. It's the really old version of G-numeric, and you think, oh, it'll be no good today, would it? Or would it? So I'll just click OK there, right? And we won't go there. We'll go to File, and we'll go to Save As, and see what it saves to. So, yeah, there's some file types. But in actual fact, it will still save to most stuff, apart from OpenOffice stuff that still has trouble with it at the time anyway. So, yeah, it's still quite usable, I think. And I think there's still a couple of guys keeping this one open with extras and bits and bobs anyway. So, yeah, AbbeyWords 245. It's still quite usable if it's a standalone machine anyway, and as long as you get your printers up, there's no problem. So, what can we save to in AbbeyWord? Well, all these. See, it's not actually changed that much, is it? AbbeyWord, it can still save to all the stuff you really want it to, apart from the most current stuff. So, yeah, I was really quite impressed. I mean, I've kept this on disk for quite a while now, and I thought I'd just give it a go. So, I open my help file, and it comes up with Dillo or Dilo. Now, Dilo is more of a text-based web thing more than anything else. It comes up all right, isn't it? It's all right. The thing is, it's so fast. It's really, really, really fast. So I'm going to type in Google up here. So that's www.google.co.uk, because I'm in the UK, so UK one's good for me. And this is how it looks. And it still looks the same if you use Dilo now. You can actually get Dilo for Puppy now anyway, and any other distribution, by the way. So there we go, look, oh, yeah, it's alright. It says what I want to do, yeah. Tells me stuff, you know, it's alright. I've actually installed Firefox as well, by the way. A bit more advanced, you know what I mean, yeah, you know what I mean. Okay, so yeah, that's okay, isn't it? Tells you all about it, yes. And how it used to be in the good old days, or was it bad old days? Sometimes I don't really know. There's a thing here. Now, this one, it says I've got 427 used, because I've installed it to the hard drive. Lovely jubbly. Console, you get a little bash shell there, or whatever you call it. You get your trash, nothing with trash, because I've not done nothing with it. And you get an install. Now, when you click on install, there's no Puppy Package Manager, and this time yet. It hasn't actually got to that just yet. So if we get to PGET, and we click here, this is how it used to be in Puppy. For those of you that are new to Linux and Puppy and stuff like that. Now, I've already installed Firefox, so I'm just going to quickly install one, and this is how we used to have to do it. So I'm going to install Bash, and just move it over to Add, and move it over there, click OK, and it starts doing stuff. You still get the Tango bar, and you still go to the Netherlands. How'd you get your stuff, man? Wait a minute, when it's done. Yeah, and it's done. Click OK, and in theory it should be there. But when I use the older versions of Puppy, you normally have to restart the whole system, not just the Windows Manager. There's my video utility. There's my hard drive, and we've got my swap there. I've got loads of swap, look, lovely, which I've done G-parted in this version of Puppy as well. This is really going back in time. Well, it's not going back in time, but it's how it used to be not so long ago. Because it's only 4 years, mate. Only 4 years. This is how far stuff has come along. Now, do you remember this screen? Maybe some of you will, some of you won't. You could just say, oh, what's Firefox like, and what's KDE like, and what's XFC like. Enlightenment. That's another thing. You'll see this video tomorrow about Enlightenment, but yeah, that's a secret between me and you. You know what I mean? Yeah, okay. It tells you what you need for Enlightenment. It wasn't even Enlightenment 17 or E17 then. It wasn't actually got to that stage. So anyway, yes, you could get loads of stuff from here. That's enough. That's part of the monk, by the way. Sea Monkey, the old version. Email was, of course, part of the monk. Part of the whole package. You can still do that package now if you really want to in Puppy. 5.2 we are now. This is 2.13 or 2.13, whatever you want to call it. I won't go to connect. It did not automatically connect to the internet. You have to do it yourself. So, you know, set up the same though. Yeah, that's all set up the same. No worries. This is the menu. Quite nice, isn't it, really? Quite nice. Now, if you've got a really, 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 really old machine just to play around with, you might want to put this on it. When you look at the backgrounds, you don't get the Nathaniel screen changer here. You just get this one. But yeah, it's alright. It does the job. It works. Now I'm going to do fit. Will it fit? I don't know. No, I've got some black bars here, but it works. Bearing in mind, Puppy wasn't that old at this time, so you know it's alright, isn't it? Yeah, super duper. It just brings back memories of how stuff we used to do. We just forgot, really, and people used to do stuff in Linux, especially in Puppy, because we're using Puppy now, 2.13 or 2.13, whatever you want to call it. I'm opening up Gparted. There's my little extensions, look. I've got my hard drive and my swap. Lovely, super, done, enough said. Wow. Well, what do you think about old and new? Really, old and new. Have we come so far? Is it still usable? Or are we just making it more usable because the machines got faster and we made it more difficult? Difficult question, really. Let me think about it. Discuss. You know what I'm saying? Yes, we should do. You've still got loads of applications in this ISO, by the way, as well. And bearing in mind, in the UK, at this time, we'd only just got, where I live, broadband. So, like, before that, it was like dial-up. Not very good. Now, I've downloaded Firefox, and as you can see, it's 1.5, because at the time, that's what came with it. So you didn't need no others, did you really? When you think about it. It was super duper at the time. But now, is it any good? I don't know. You tell me. I might actually try this in the box, or just if I get infected or any other stuff comes along that I can't see. Bearing in mind there'll be no flash, so no videos and stuff. That all has to be got from the old package manager, or from a website and download it, or a tar file even. Things were so much different here. And we're only going back like 48 months. Not long really, is it? Blimey. Blast from the past is all I'm going to say. But this is how it used to be. Sneaky Linux going out. I see you later.